The main activity that I did while I was at UW was Jumpstart. It's an organization here on campus that pairs UW undergrads with preschoolers in low-income areas. I kind of just knew of the reputation it had for social work, and for me, I guess it was a really easy decision. I didn't have to think about like, oh, do I want to maybe study social work somewhere else? It was kind of just automatic, like if I'm going to do social work, I'm staying here. But I'm also really interested in more rural social work, because I'm from a rural background, and I'm definitely hoping to go back and sort of work in some capacity of social work in my hometown.
I was working in the mornings, and my classes are in the mornings. So I have no alternative but to quit my job. The tuition fellowship that I received from the School of Social Work has helped me a lot. I mean, it was a big help. And the Latino population needs services. I'm very interested in creating programs for domestic violence, Spanish-speaking perpetrators. There are not many. Well, I believe there are none Spanish-speaking domestic violence programs in the community. I believe I'm going to be really busy once I graduate.
As an undergraduate student, I was a McNair Scholar, and part of being in that program is studying other schools and finding a good match. I started an organization on Vashon called Vashon Visible, because there are dozens and dozens of families that are homeless. There are 200 families that are hungry and go to the food bank every week, that have no access to health care, they have no access to quality preschool, and they are completely invisible. I've contacted some people who have been working with people in poverty on Vashon, and we are bringing a medical van for the homeless population. I'm working with a couple doctors and a nurse to try to figure out how to start a free clinic on the island.
My goal with my social work degree is to work for a grassroots organization, mainly working with low-income communities and communities of color, particularly immigrant families, just because I have so much experience being a low-income immigrant myself. I want to work in kind of policy and advocacy work because that's kind of where my passion is. I have gone to Olympia multiple times during the legislative session with Statewide Poverty Action Network, which was my community service learning site last year, and I currently serve as a board member there now. And so I continuously stay involved, and I facilitate a group of low-income constituents and teach them how to become an effective advocate. I would like to say thank you for the donors who are providing this fund, because for low-income students it's really hard for us to achieve our full potential because we have so many financial barriers, and so this was one way that I was able to continue my education and persevere through any kind of struggle that I had, and so thank you. It gives us an opportunity to pursue our dreams.